What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. A lot of you guys always want us to introduce ourselves just because you guys might be a new subscriber, just a new viewer. I am Brittany. Today I'm just basically gonna be vlogging and showing you guys how I make my homemade macaroni and cheese the legit way, you guys. Yeah, you guys, it's bomb. Like, I'm gonna just tell you, it's my, every time I make it, like, my brother's always so happy. Like, he loves my macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna walk you guys through the process of making it. But basically the meal for today is barbecue chicken. I'm making barbecue chicken, macaroni and cheese, corn, mashed potatoes, and salad. So we're gonna be feasting today. Right now I'm taking Josiah and Jade in the shower, and then so yeah, basically I'm just like on my mommy duties. This is basically an everyday basis. So let's get to it. Alright, so these are the ingredients that you're gonna need to make the homemade macaroni and cheese. Shredded cheddar jack cheese, mild block cheese, 2 eggs, mustard, and then of course macaroni, pasta, some milk, Lori seasoning salts, black pepper, some garlic salt, some butter. You guys cannot forget these ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna start off with boiling the noodles. I have a big family, so I have to use the big bag of pasta. Put the cheese into blocks, little pieces. But first I start off with cutting it into big cuts like this. So we're just gonna cut it like this. It's just small. You don't want the blocks too thick because then it's not gonna melt in the noodles. So just make sure it's not too thick, just very thin blocks. So okay, basically I have them ready. So then I'm gonna make more cuts into this. I feel like this is such an easy recipe, you guys. It's not even hard to make. Before we would always, when we would make barbecue chicken, we would make this half time. But once I figured out how easy it is to make homemade macaroni and cheese, I was like, I'm done with the whole craft thing. I'm almost done cutting this up. Now that the noodles are done, we can go ahead and drain them out. Okay, so now that I've drained my noodles, you want to make sure that you do this really quick. Oh my god. You're going to need a dish size like this, unless you're going to make a smaller portion of macaroni and cheese. I use the glass one. Alright, you guys, so right now that the noodles are still really hot, I'm gonna go ahead and place it in here. I just use what fits in here. Okay, so the first ingredient I'm gonna add in the macaroni is the butter. And since I'm making a lot of macaroni, I'm gonna use about 4 tablespoons of butter because this is a lot of macaroni. I know, you guys, this is kind of fattening, but I'm gonna go ahead, and this is why the macaroni still needs to be hot, because it will melt inside of here. Bree's being a traitor, you guys. This looks delicious, but she's gonna go out to eat. No, I'm gonna eat this. Okay, you better. It looks good. Oh
Baby girl.
Yes, we is Pops. So, yeah, I'm gonna start off with my seasoning. So I'm gonna use a little bit of Lori's salt. Garlic salt. This is just for flavor. Some black pepper. And some salt. Okay, so now I'm gonna be stirring all this up in the noodles. Okay, you guys gonna you wanna make sure you move fast because now what we're gonna be adding is the blocks of cheese, and the cheese need to kind of be melting with the macaroni right now. It smells just how I normally make it. Throwing more cheese in here. We're cheese heads, you guys. We use cheese for everything. And it's not gonna like melt all the way. We're gonna stick this in the oven as well. I'm gonna let this sit for a while just because we don't want it to be too hot when we throw in the eggs, because we don't want the eggs to cook in here. So we're gonna let it cool down, kind of let the cheese melt a little bit in here, and then we'll go ahead and throw the mustard and the eggs. Okay, so I whisked the 2 eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in now that it's been melted a little bit and it's cooled down. You can't really tell it's melted, but the cheese is really soft. And it's all in there. Looking delicious already. Perfect. Now that I have the 2 eggs whisked, I'm gonna go ahead and just throw it in here. Also, this is gonna sound so weird, you guys. When I first heard of this, I was like, no, I'm not. I hate mustard so much. If you guys haven't seen the challenge on what's in my mouth, you guys know I hate mustard. But for this recipe, you do need mustard. It just gives it, you can tell I've done this with mustard and without, and you do need the mustard for this. You can't even taste the mustard. It just gives it that, I don't know how to explain it, but you just need the mustard, okay? You guys, I can like smell the mustard. And I'm also gonna top it off with a little bit of seasoning salt on top for flavor. This is what it should look like. The macaroni's in there. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the oven now. So your oven should be at 350 until the cheese is all melted. I want to say about 15 minutes to 20 minutes in the oven, just so it could all stir up in there and melt really good. Saya,
yeah.
what do you want to be when you grow up?
A cop.
A cop?
Yeah.
What about you, JJ? What do you want to be when you grow
Hey,
up?
Mommy, I want to work at Costco with Bob.
You do? He doesn't work there anymore, baby. But you want to work at Costco? You want to be like him? Okay, so everything's all melted in. Yum. Oh my god, you guys. This is so fire. You guys gotta try this mac and cheese. What? What, baby?
Thank you for serving
So
me.
you probably pop
It
them
has
or salad.
macaroni and chicken and potatoes.
You're welcome. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
That's my favorite.
I know, that's why I made it. You guys, I know, you guys. The macaroni looks so bomb. The macaroni and cheese with the mashed potatoes, barbecue chicken, and salad. Yeah. You guys, it ain't nothing without the tapatio, so.
Te estoy defendiendo,
Yes.
No te...
So just finished eating, and let me just tell you, the macaroni and cheese is so bomb, you guys. Fire. I'll list down the ingredients down below, and I hope if you guys make it, I hope you guys like it and enjoy it just as much as me and my family do. And thanks for watching, you guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, of course. I know most of you guys already do, but for the new people watching, and we'll see what the next recipe video is going to be about. Thanks for watching.